I need more mags.
Jeez.
It's only 300 round mag, but still waiting on another 2.
Who did you get it for, Jimmy?
Got it through Airsoft.
Alright, What gun is it exactly you've got?
It's a G&G ARP-9.
Right. It's just new in the market?
New in the market as far as I'm led to believe. A couple of them out and about. Good
First
wee,
one I've ever seen.
nice wee gun. Comes with these 300 round high caps, but there's a 1500 round wee drum mag that comes with it, which is nice for the money that's in it. A great wee gun. Just bedding it in today. This is now about the 8th mag I've put through it.
Right.
Range, as you can see, is no bad, getting right into the middle of Defiance there, so all going good.
Very nice gun, great sound of it.
It's actually quite frightening. Quite a lot of people seem to have been hearing it. Just that nice wee snap.
It's probably about the loudest gun in sight today, I would say.
Yep, as you know, Mr. Dodds has acquired one. He's already put a sound hog on it.
Oh, has he?
But you know what
Stephen's like...
You know what Stephen's like. He likes to add things. So
right, I'll let you get back to the game.
It's all good. Well, that's me go to the mag loaded, so time to shoot some more people.
Good to go.
All good. Right.
We're done!
Is that Scout the doggie?
No, he's up there. He's a right. Then he talk to him.
His YouTube videos are shit. I was expecting first person.
Unsubscribe the bastard.
He doesn't do. He doesn't do autographs.
Aye.
Oh yeah. Ah, my butt!
Michael, I'll use that bit.